Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited you're tuning into today's video because today I'm going to be sharing with you some really powerful and effective cleaning products that are sure to get the job done. So you're probably tuning in today because A, you've either gotten cleaning products that don't work and you waste your money, trust me, I've been there, or you're just looking for some powerful and effective cleaning products that are going to get the job done and you don't have to put much effort into it. So if this is you, I am so glad you're tuning in to today's video because I'm going to be sharing with you my ultimate top favorite cleaning products. So I briefly wanted to mention that none of these brands have sponsored me to talk about their products. These are truly my honest opinions about them, and in no particular order, I'm going to start with numero uno. So the first product I'm going to mention is the Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner. This thing is amazing. I love it at cleaning anything that's stainless steel. I clean my refrigerator, my microwave, my dishwasher, and even my toaster. Yes. So if you have kids, especially toddlers, you know what I'm talking about. There is like tons of fingerprints at the bottom of your refrigerator. This is like such a struggle for me because I don't like to see my refrigerator with fingerprints, and unfortunately it's like unavoidable. They're gonna get there. So the way I like to clean it is with this specific stainless steel cleaner. I also pair this cleaner with a microfiber cloth. So this microfiber cloth has two sides. One side is designed to actually clean the refrigerator or any stainless steel you have, so it can clean any stuck-on messes or like fingerprints, whatever the case may be. And the second side is designed to actually polish your refrigerator and make it look like brand new. This cleaner does not leave a super oily residue on your refrigerator. It does give it a beautiful shine, but it doesn't leave it super oily. However, it does leave like some sort of protective barrier to prevent future fingerprints and dust as well from clinging on. So number two is from the same brand, Weiman, and it's their stovetop heavy duty cleaner. This thing, I'm telling you, it is the best. Okay, I've tried several ones. This honestly does such a great job, and you don't even have to put so much scrubbing into it because it does such a great job at breaking up any buildup. I like to use it with a scrubbing pad from this brand. It's a red scrubbing pad and it's very gentle on your stovetop. It's not going to scratch it up. This cleaner cuts through any grease, any grime, any stuck on food particles that might be left on your stovetop. This thing, I'm telling you, it gets the job done. The pad, like I said, it's scratch free. It does not scratch your stovetop, but what I absolutely love about it is that you can grab a paper towel right after or some sort of microfiber cloth and just pick up all of that cleaner up after you've scrubbed, and your stovetop is going to be so polished and it's going to look so brand new. So this cleaner in particular is just meant for glass stovetops. However, I looked on their website and they have one for a gas range, which I think it's so cool, and I'm pretty sure if it works so well on this one, it will definitely work really well on gas ranges as well. Their formula is designed to restore your stovetop look, so it's not going to look faded. I used to use the Barkeeper's Friend on my stovetop, and after and over time it did look kind of faded and very worn out. This one, no. This one leaves it super polished and looking brand new as if you just got it out of the box. So number three is going to be Barkeeper's Friend. Now, I just mentioned I used to use it on my glass stovetop, but over time it did fade it. This thing works amazing at cleaning and polishing your sinks. I use this on my stainless steel sink and it really removes any scratches. And I know that when I was younger, my mom used to use it, and she used to have like a white porcelain sink, and it used to remove every single scratch from it. So if you have a white porcelain sink, this is going to be great for your sink. But if you have a stainless steel sink as well, it's going to work wonders. So Barkeeper's Friend is so good at removing food buildup. It removes rust, tarnish, mineral deposit, tough stains. I'm telling you, this thing works wonders. Now, you do need to keep in mind that you can only use this on non-porous surfaces because if not, it will damage your surface. Now, if you want your stainless steel pans looking brand new again, sprinkle some of this onto your pan, scrub it, then wash your pan with soap, and it's going to look brand new. I I promise you, try it for yourself. This thing is amazing. So number 4 is going to be a magic eraser. This thing seriously works like magic. I love using the magic eraser. I have caught myself using the magic eraser more than I really have to because my son is in that stage that he's like coloring all the walls. My walls, my desk, the floor. Anytime he has some sort of crayon, pencil, or marker, that's where he tends to write on, not on the paper. So I like to use this to just clean off all those marks that he has left behind. I also like to use this on the glass shower doors from my bathroom because it removes mineral deposit and just soap scum in general. It does such a great job at leaving the glass very clean and shiny. I use this in my bathroom sinks, on my baseboards. You can seriously use this anywhere. Anywhere you see bangs on your walls, this is great for it. So like I said, this thing is so versatile. You can use it on almost any surface. It won't damage it. Now, if you're confused as to which surface you can use it on, you can always read the back of the label and it will tell you more in detail. Now the next product is the Method Granite Cleaner, and this you can use on not just granite, but you can also use it on marble and in my case quartz. Now when it comes to cleaning kitchen countertops, I'm a little bit more picky. I like to use things that are more on the natural side just because I am preparing food here and sometimes my kids do eat from the countertop, so I like to use things that are more on the natural side. And I love this one because it is a non-toxic plant-based surface cleaner with no harsh chemicals. And what's great about this is that it leaves no residue behind. Now, usually when I use a granite cleaner for my countertops, it does leave some sort of finish behind just because it wants to polish it so well and bring out that shine that it does leave some sort of nasty, oily finish. This does not leave any residue. On the contrary, you just feel like your countertops are so squeaky clean with this. And I absolutely love the scent of this. It smells like apples and it just smells so good. Now, if you're a mom and you're worried about your little ones grabbing things from the countertops, rest assured they're going to be completely safe because this product is natural. Nowadays, it's just so hard to find a natural granite cleaner that's going to clean your countertops, but at the same time, polish, bring out that shine, and be safe while around your kids. So this one has it all. I'm telling you, you're going to love it. I don't know how many bottles I've gone through this, but I always have it on repeat. If I'm not using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-service cleaner, this is definitely the one I'm using. I have gotten so many bottles of this. This is one of those that I always repurchase just because it's that good. The next product I'm going to be talking about is the Sprayway Glass Cleaner. This is by far the best glass cleaner out there that I have found. I've tried the Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner, the Method glass cleaner, Windex. Nothing works as good as this one. I'm going to show you a clip of our family room console table at its fullest fingerprint stage. My kids love to hang around that area and the console table is right at their height. So there you will find fingerprint galore, and this glass cleaner cleans all that up. And if you haven't noticed in my cleaning videos, I also use this all the time to shine my faucets. It takes out all those water deposits that are left behind. And for daily upkeep, I also clean my shower glass with this as well. So the last cleaning product I'm going to mention is OxiClean. Now I know that everybody and their mother has heard of OxiClean, but I swear OxiClean is like the best to remove tough stains. Now I've heard of people soaking their kids' baseball uniforms in OxiClean and that sort of stuff, but the way I like to use OxiClean is on my towels. Now when we moved into our new house, all I wanted was white towels for everyone. But the problem with white towels is that over time they do start to get yellowy. So what I like to do is sprinkle some of the OxiClean onto my towels and they come out looking super white. Now my daughter, when she was younger, she used to get tons of nosebleeds during the middle of the night, and OxiClean was the only thing that removed all those blood stains out. That is why I like swear by OxiClean, because I know it gets the job done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm going to close out this video with a question. So what is your favorite cleaning product to use in your house? Leave it down below in the comments, because I'm always looking to buy and test out new products. So make sure that you leave your favorite cleaning products down below, and you never know, you might see it in my next cleaning video. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I want you to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love to welcome you to the Mom Life Balance. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for continuing to watch my videos. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.